Welcome back to the Greatest Family. We're going to do today an unboxing. If you're new here, consider to hit that subscribe button.
So guys, the kids are doing the unboxing. I'm so exhausted cleaning. They just delivered something to us which they are going to use. All of us are going to use. So they said they want to do unboxing about it. I said okay. So let them do the unboxing. After then, after the unboxing, we are going to work on the mattresses like he said. We are going to work on them and you guys will see how they are going.
So guys, this video is recorded since August 12th that we move into our place. I've not really had time to edit them. We have lots of them which will be coming up, one by one. Actually, this is the air mattress that we ordered the day we moved in. My friend gave us two, one single one and one double one, which is not going to be enough. So I had to call the kid's dad, to tell him he now quickly ordered this one from the Argos. And when it arrived, the kids decided to do the unboxing, which is what they're trying to do now. We got this and the pumping machine. So look out for it. We are going to, like they say, we are going to open them, and after them we're going to use the machine that came with it, or we bought it separate as well to use to, put air to it, and you all will see how it goes. So keep watching if you want to see the end of this video, please. And if you've not subscribed, consider hitting the subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever we upload a new video. So let's see how it goes. It's just them, they just do whatever they want to do. I'm just trying to record, so bear with us. So this place, JC decided to open the sheet for the mattress, and they are fighting who opened what, and so she opened this one, and yeah, and the brother will go ahead to open the pumping machine, and before we go ahead to pump the mattress. As you can see, all hands on desk. Even Jenny herself is trying to help in whatever way she can. She's trying to help, but the brothers and sisters, they feel that she's disturbing. Okay.
All right, guys, you can see they've opened it, the air mattress, the cover, and the pump. Okay, actually we have one like this and single from my friend. No, before our main bed will come, and the box spring before they come. So this is what we are going to be using for now till next week. Hopefully they will deliver it by next week. We didn't bother to go for bed for now because she will not allow me. Look at her. Yeah, we didn't bother to go to bed because we don't know our faith about this place. So I don't want to be buying things. Even the things that we bought for this place, it was yesterday that we went to practically bought everything, because we don't know if the process is kind of tiring. Anyway, thank God everything is okay. We got it and all that. So right now we are going to use the machine that you saw to uh to give the air to the air mattress. We are going to do the three of them, and you all will see how everything goes. Look at her, she will never give me peace. All right, I'm so tired. Let's just do this and see how it is. Then we are going to cover it and then we'll go to bed. Okay, stay with us.
So this is the pumping machine. I will go ahead, or Jason go ahead to put the valve. That's what I call it. So I will go ahead to help them to put air in the mattress, and after now you guys will see it when I'm going to cover it and see how it is. Okay, so stay put, watch this to the end. The small one is already happy, jumping all over it and all that. Okay, so Jason will go ahead to do the other one because he want to do the second one. I said, okay, no problem. So this is him and the younger sister. She's so scared of the sound. Ooh, she's so scared. Sorry, mama. She's so scared. So she ran away from the sound. And yeah, let's see what Jason to the mattress. So fam, This is the outcome of the mattress after the air, and I got it covered and put it in the girls' room. This is for the girls. They are so happy to lay on it. And Jason's, I put the single one in Jason's room, and the other one is in our room. Although they never give me space to sleep on it, they always leave their room and come and join me in the room to kind of kick me out from the mattress. So fam, this is the end of this video. If
Nice.
you like what you watch, kindly give us a thumb up, and if you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever we post a new video. Bye.